Here are 15 fascinating facts about eagles. 1. Incredible vision. Eagles have exceptional eyesight, up to 8 times stronger than humans. They can spot prey from as far as 3 miles away. 2. Powerful. An eagle's beak is curved and sharp, designed for tearing through the flesh of their prey. It's strong enough to break bones. 3. Massive wingspan. Depending on the species, eagles can have wingspans ranging from 5 to 8 feet, helping them soar at high altitudes. 4. Impressive flight speeds. Processing weight. While flying, eagles can reach speeds of up to 40 feet per second. During a dive, they can reach speeds of over 100 feet. 5. Sharp talons. Eagles' talons are extremely sharp and can exert a force of over 1,000 pounds per square inch, which helps them catch and carry heavy prey. 6. Monogamous birds. Most eagle species mate for life, and they return to the same nest year after year, often building it up bigger each season. 7. Aerial hunters. Eagles hunt primarily by flying high and scanning the ground below. They can swoop down at incredible speeds to grab prey, including fish, mammals, and reptiles. 8. Symbol of power. Eagles are often seen as symbols of freedom, strength, and courage. In the United States, the bald eagle is the national bird and symbol of the country. 9. Long lifespan. Eagles can live to be 20-30 years old in the wild, but they may live even longer in captivity with proper care. 10. Distinctive nests. Eagles build massive nests called eyries in tall trees or on cliffs. Some nests can weigh up to 2,000 pounds. 11. Migratory behavior. Some eagle species, like the golden eagle, are migratory, traveling great distances depending on the season. 12. Diet. Eagles are opportunistic predators, but they primarily feed on fish, small mammals, and birds. They are also known to scavenge carcasses. 13. Mating rituals. During courtship, eagles perform impressive aerial displays, including high-speed dives, flips, and synchronized flying to impress their mate. 14. Apex predators. Eagles sit at the top of their food chain, meaning they have no natural predators. However, they may face competition from other large birds of prey, like hawks or owls. 15. Conservation success. The bald eagle, once endangered due to hunting, habitat loss, and pesticide poisoning, has made a remarkable recovery thanks to conservation efforts and legal protections. Eagles are truly magnificent creatures with impressive adaptations that make them some of the most formidable birds of prey.